Olá, pessoal! Some of you asked me to prepare a lesson on the different meanings and uses the word se has in Portuguese. And guess what? In today's lesson and in the upcoming ones, you will learn more about se in Portuguese. The word se has different meanings and uses in Portuguese, which may be why it's sometimes a bit hard to find out what it means in a specific sentence. Throughout a series of lessons, you will learn 4 main uses se has in Portuguese, starting from those I consider more common and easier to understand. Let's get started, huh? Se is used to introduce a condition being equivalent to if. In English, this is the easiest use of se. It means if. What may make things a bit challenging for learners in this case are the different verb tenses used in Portuguese for different kinds of conditionals, but we'll see a few examples so you feel more confident using conditionals in Portuguese. Oh, they're calling for showers. He'd better take an umbrella. If he takes an umbrella, he won't get wet. Se ele levar o guarda-chuva, não vai se molhar. This is a good example where se has 2 distinct uses, but remember, in today's lesson, we'll focus on one of them. Se ele levar o guarda-chuva, não vai se molhar. When talking about the real possibility that something happens, you will use the future subjunctive in the if part of the sentence and the future indicative in the other part of the sentence. So, se ele levar, future subjunctive, o guarda-chuva não se molhará, future indicative. Or, se ele levar, future subjunctive, o guarda-chuva não vai se molhar, the ir plus main verb combination that we use to talk about the future in Portuguese. Se ele não se molhar, vai poder viajar com sua família. Se eles viajarem, vão conhecer novos lugares. Regarding sentence structure, you can start your sentences with se, as we did. Se eles viajarem, vão conhecer novos lugares, or not. Eles vão conhecer novos lugares se viajarem. What? He seems to be complaining about something. What is it?
Se eu tivesse um carro, estaria melhor protegido da chuva.
He doesn't have a car, but if he had a car, yes, he would be better protected from the rain. So in Portuguese, you will use the imperfect subjunctive in the if part of the sentence here and the conditional, the verb tense we call futuro do pretérito, in the other parts of the sentence. So, if he had a car, se ele tivesse carro, imperfect subjunctive, estaria, conditional, estaria melhor protegido da chuva. Se ele tivesse carro, estaria melhor protegido da chuva.
Se eu estivesse melhor protegido da chuva, minhas meias estariam secas. Se minhas meias estivessem secas, meus pés estariam mais confortáveis. Se meus pés estivessem mais confortáveis, iria ao shopping a pé. Se eu fosse ao shopping, faria um lanche delicioso.
Oh, a side note. Fazer and all verbs ending in ze have irregular conjugation in this verb tense, in the futuro do pretérito. Below is the link to the lesson where you can learn more about it. Now, moving on to the third kind of conditional, the one where we talk about past. Yes, about the past. Então, foi ao shopping?
Não fui. Meus pés estavam muito molhados.
Você poderia ter pegado um táxi.
Se eu não tivesse esquecido minha carteira em casa, teria pegado um táxi. Se tivesse pegado um táxi, eu teria ido ao shopping. Se tivesse ido ao shopping, teria feito um lanche.
O que você teria comido? While he tells me what he would have eaten, o que ele teria comido se tivesse ido ao shopping. While he tells me that, give the lesson a thumbs up if you find it useful. Besides being used in conditional sentences, we use se in reported speech, as in, I asked him if. Yeah, so this if in Portuguese will be se. Perguntei se ele foi ao shopping. Perguntei se ele foi ao shopping. Perguntei se ele planeja comprar um carro. Perguntei se ele vai viajar com sua família nas férias. So, in today's lesson you learned that we can use and we use se in conditionals in Portuguese and reported speech. Was this lesson useful or not? By the way, I'm positive you will enjoy watching that lesson too. Tell me later in the comments if you liked it. Thank you for watching another lesson and see you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau!